All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So pipe down. Shh. Yes. To be quiet. Shh. I want her to pipe down. Why won't he pipe down? Why won't he pipe down? He needs to pipe down during the film. Quite important, yeah. Yeah. They need to pipe down now. Yes. They talk a lot and need to pipe down. They talk a lot and need to pipe down. Definitely. Yeah. He then piped down. Yeah. He talked too much, but then suddenly he piped down. He talked too much, but then suddenly he piped down. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Can you pipe down, please? Shh. Pipe down, please. Yeah. She just won't pipe down while I am reading. While I'm reading, she just won't pipe down. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? He will soon learn when to pipe down. So as he grows up, he will realize when it is socially acceptable, socially expected to pipe down. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So yeah, pipe down, to be quiet. So he needs to pipe down. Why can't they pipe down? Suddenly he piped down by himself. She wants him to pipe down. He made him pipe down. Yeah, so someone being too loud. He needs to pipe down. Shh. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use pipe down in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.